The trap bar or hex bar is an excellent bar to have in one's home gym, and some would argue that it is far safer to deadlift with a trap bar than with a conventional straight bar. All arguments aside, this bar allows the lifter to use a neutral grip, which in turn places less strain on the biceps, forearms, elbows, and shoulders. In addition, this lift puts less shear force on the lumbar spine while performing a deadlift. It's easier to learn the movement itself, and it is far more forgiving in the event your form is ever compromised compared to using a straight bar. Don't be fooled. This bar is capable of far more than just deadlifts. I am AJ, and here are just some of the exercises that can be performed with the trap bar. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and comment below with any questions you may have. And I will see you in the next video.